This is what I love about this model. You can trade it on gold, you can trade it on futures, and even Forex. Okay, so coming into the day, I've noticed that we've swept Asia high. If you come to a 5-minute time frame, you can notice this manipulation leg here. This was the low that then created the big up move. I'll mark this out from the high to the low. I'm not going to be doing anything until price comes into deviation 2 to 2.5. Okay, so at this point here, we've come into deviation 2 to 2.5. I'm looking to see how we kind of react within this area. So now that we're getting a really nice reaction from this area, I have seen this inverse gap, but I cannot enter this until I see a divergence. Currently on GU, there is no divergence, so I cannot enter this trade. And now we've candle closed above the deviation 2 to 2.5. So now I can't do anything until price comes into deviation -4. So you can see here that price has now come into the deviation -4. We're starting to react from this area. Now I'm going to look for divergences. You can see that GU has failed to take this high, and on EU, we actually have taken this high. So this is good. Now because I'm trading Forex, I prefer to trade on the higher time frames. Now just looking at the 30-minute time frame, I've noticed that we have this inefficiency here. So this would be nice if we can look for a candle closure. So just zooming out on price, you can actually notice that price has actually come into this hourly gap. With a higher time frame gap, a divergence, and deviation -4, this is looking very textbook. Wow, okay, so that's some really nice momentum. So we've actually candle closed below this gap. My stop loss placement is going to be above the divergence, and I can simply target on 1 to 2. Now, as you can see in this situation here, if I go take a look at GU, you'll notice that GU has actually taken this Asia low. This is another divergence. So price may slap us out at break even here. And as you can see, it's done exactly that. But it really does go to show how powerful the divergence is, but also this entry model as a whole. This is the 6th day in a row that I've taken a trade like this, and this is the first break even in 5 trades. Just for transparency purposes, if you don't believe that I actually took this trade yesterday, here it is in my trading journal, and this is exactly what the trade looked like. If you want this trading journal, by the way, alongside the checklist that I used to actually take this trade yesterday, just comment trade on this video, and I'll happily send it over to you via DM.